All right, guys, a quick tool review. I'm very impressed with this trim tool kit, especially if you guys are doing a lot of trim stuff. We are doing Fakras on like, you know, the Odysseys, the Pilots, Passports. It ranges from 2016 all the way to 2023. This is a 2023 Odyssey, and we're still doing this. And yeah, it's this tool has held up pretty good. So, you know, you have to remove the cluster, remove the audio unit. You know, some of them have to remove the Blu-ray, and then there's stuff, you know, there's an amp in the back that you got to replace too. But yeah, doing a lot of interior stuff, and these things held up pretty good. You know, a couple scratches on them, but they're pretty strong, right? Compared to, for example, I have a Snap-on one. It only comes with 5 pieces, and it was like almost $100, I think. I can't remember, but they're pretty flimsy. Well, the Snap-on ones are pretty flimsy. These are pretty stiff, right? Comes with, it's a 200 piece. So there's a lot of, you know, different trim tools. You got your screwdrivers, you know, you got your clips, right? I don't use these clips because we get clips at work, and then you get a bunch of other stuff, which we don't really need to use other than like the trim tools. It also comes with the tools to help you repin connectors too, if you need to pull those pins out of the connectors. So it comes with that too. So very impressed with this kit. And if you you know, decide to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description to an Amazon affiliate link if you want to get one. But yeah, I feel like this is a pretty budget friendly. I think it's only 38 bucks on Amazon, and I'm pretty impressed with this. So yeah, check out the link in the description if you want to get one yourself.